In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Jasper AI account. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Canceling an account can affect access for you and your team, and it may impact your billing cycle. If you're part of a workspace with multiple members, make sure you have the right permissions to manage the account. If you want to keep any documents or brand assets, review them now so you're confident moving forward. Start by heading to the Jasper app in your browser and signing in. Once you're on the home screen, look to the top left and click the profile icon. That icon opens your account menu, which is where you can manage everything tied to your workspace. From that menu, choose Workspace Settings. This takes you to the main settings area where Jasper keeps billing, users, and plan controls organized in one place. It's the right destination when you want to handle anything related to subscriptions or account status. Inside Workspace Settings, open the Plans section. This page is dedicated to your current subscription details, including your plan type, billing cadence, and available management options. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you're on the one you intend to cancel, since each workspace is managed independently. On the Plans page, locate the Cancel Account option and click it. Jasper presents this in the billing area because canceling is tied to your subscription and workspace access. Clicking Cancel doesn't immediately erase anything. It starts the cancellation flow so you can confirm your choice. You'll be asked to choose why you're leaving. Pick the option that best matches your situation. This helps Jasper understand common reasons for cancellations and can improve the product over time. There's no wrong answer, just select the one that fits. You may also see a prompt that asks what could have been done better. This field is optional. If you have feedback, add it here. If not, you can continue without filling it out. Keep your comments concise and specific if you do choose to share them. After you've selected a reason and optionally provided feedback, proceed through the on-screen confirmation to finalize the cancellation. Depending on your plan, access may end immediately or at the close of your current billing period. You'll typically receive an email confirmation once everything is processed, so watch your inbox. And that's it. You went to the home screen, opened the profile menu, entered workspace settings, navigated to plans, selected cancel account, chose a reason, and confirmed. If you manage more than one workspace, repeat these steps for each one you want to cancel. Thanks for watching and take care.